Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a new recipe, Channa Gosht. Here are the ingredients: 2 pounds of mutton, 1 large bowl of chana, oil for frying, 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 small tomatoes, 1 cup of tomato puree, and 1 teaspoon of chili paste. Chili powder, haldi powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chana masala, and black seed, that is kalonji, and salt to taste. I'm cooking in the Instapot. You can also use normal cooker or any pot you like. First, I'm going to use saute mode for 20 minutes. In the Instapot, I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil, to which I'm adding the onions. Fry the onions until golden brown. We have to nicely fry the onions until all the raw smell is gone. Always while frying onions, we should keep in mind that there should be a little extra oil. Without oil, onions take a little longer time to fry, or it doesn't fry very good. Now the onions are nice and golden. To that I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Give it a good stir and start frying it until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is completely gone. To this I am adding all the powdered ingredients: chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, and garam masala. Rest of the ingredients I will be adding when I am adding the chana. Now don't let the dry ingredients burn. Immediately when you mix, add little bit of water. Whenever all the powdered ingredients are added, it's a good tip that you give 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to fry, so that all the powdered ingredients will be roasted nicely. You can see it is getting roasted very nice. There will be nice aroma to it. If you do this step, it will give nice different aroma. I can see all the oil is separating from the masala. At this point I'm adding the chili paste and tomatoes. Fry them also nicely. Give it a good mix. Saute the tomatoes until they are nice and soft. Only when the tomatoes are cooked nicely, we'll get nice sauce in the gravy. To this I'm adding papaya paste. In all my mutton or some of my chicken recipes, I will be adding papaya paste, which is a meat tenderizer. If you don't have, no worries, you have to cook a little longer until the mutton is fully cooked. When I'm adding papaya paste, it is a no-fail cook. At the right temperature I see that mutton will be fully cooked done. I have added 1 glass of water. For the mutton to be get cooked nicely, when I put the steam on, I need some water in it. I am closing the lid. If you cook in pressure cooker, 3 to 4 pressure is more than enough. If you have not added papaya paste, it will take a little longer. Now I am giving it 10 minutes in the Instapot. And resting time I gave 10 minutes again. I'll be putting off, open the vent. The mutton masala is now halfway done. Mutton is thoroughly cooked. I'll check whether the mutton is cooked nicely. Yes, I see it is nice, soft. To this I will be adding the chana. You can add more chana. This is one large bowl. If you like more chana in the gravy, yes, you can add. At this point I'm adding the tomato puree. If you don't have tomato puree, don't need to worry. While cooking the mutton, you could have added one extra tomato. No worries. This is the store-bought chana masala and the black seeds. I'm not adding black seed when I was cooking the mutton. It will give a really strong and distinct flavor, which is nice at this point. Just remember, if you don't have tomato puree, don't worry, you can add extra tomato while frying it. Now I am adding the coriander leaves, and again I'll be closing the lid. Just for the chana and gosht to mix together. Let them combine well. It is only 2 minutes I am going to leave for. In cooker you can also cook for just 5 to 10 minutes on open cover. Now after 2 minutes I am going to check on the gravy. Now all the flavors are blended together, the chana and the gosht. Here another tip I will be giving. That is, you take few chanas and crush it by the side. This will give nice saucy texture to your gravy and even chana flavor in the masala. This will make it nice thick. It won't be runny masala. If you crush few chanas, it will make a big difference. Now chana masala is ready to serve. I am serving it by the side of rice. You can also serve it with naan, chapati or parathas. It's a very delicious gravy. Usually we will have only chana masala. This is chana gosht. Really, it's a very big difference. Do try. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.